Asthma. Asthma basically is a disease of your airways, or as we call them, your trachea and the bronchial tree, where it becomes so very hyper responsive by the virtue of erratic genetic mechanism that when exposed to normal stimuli, your tracheal tree goes into a complete spasm, and we call it bronchospasm. And then there is something called as a typical sound, which is wheeze. And this is a very distressing disorder which can be very, very troublesome for people suffering from asthma because it deprives them of normal breathing, and then this could give rise to a lot of distress. So, what does a homeopath actually do? You must have heard that homeopathy treats the cause, or homeopathy goes to the root to eradicate a particular illness. So what basically happens? Now there could be various causes of asthma. One of them, it could be inherited, or you could acquire it during your life, or it could follow a very stressful event, a death in the family, a break in the relations. There could be any number of causes which could give rise to a severe stress or a shocking situation, and the effect could be an aberration in your genetic mechanism which could finally reflect as asthma. So till the medication is not aimed at your genetic level to repair that particular fault, faulty proteins or toxic proteins are going to be released by your body, finally giving rise to a severe bronchospasm, and that is what is termed as asthma. So treating the symptom or treating the effect of a genetic problem is never going to cure. That's what allopathics do. They always try to treat your symptom by giving you a steroid or by giving you a bronchodilatator. But what a homeopath does is he tries to go to the level of your genetic mechanism and corrects it there so that the effect is taken care of by itself.
मला लहानपणापासून अस्थमा होता, तर म्हणजे माझ्या बाबांचे ऑल ओव्हर महाराष्ट्रामधले सगळे डॉक्टर करून झालेत. म्हणजे शेवटचं ऑप्शन म्हणून मी इकडे आले होते. मी त्याच्यानंतर ट्रीटमेंट घेणार नव्हते, पण मला डॉक्टरांनी सांगितलं की तुला परत कोणत्या डॉक्टरांकडे जायची गरज नाही लागणार. मग त्याच्यानंतर मी इकडे ट्रीटमेंट घेतली, तर मला खूप बरं वाटलं. सिव्हिअर प्रमाणात त्रास व्हायचा. 8-8, 15-15 दिवस गादीवर झोपून उन्हाळ्यात पावसाळ्यात खूप जास्त त्रास व्हायचा. त्याच्यानंतर मग कॉलेज वगैरे सगळ्यात म्हणजे शेड्यूल सगळंच बिघडून जायचं. पण आता 1 वर्षापासून मी इथे ट्रीटमेंट घेते, तर मला खूप बरं वाटलं. म्हणजे खूप मी असं सांगू शकत नाही की मला इतका फरक कुठं पडला असेल म्हणून.
मी सुरुवातीला ॲलोपॅथिक भरपूर औषधं केली, पुष्कळ डॉक्टर स्पेशालिस्ट केले, परंतु मला त्याने काही गुण आला नव्हता. तात्पुरतं इलाज व्हायचा, नंतर परत बंद औषधं केली की 6 महिन्याने परत चालू व्हायचं. परंतु इथे उपचार चालू केल्यापासून मला दमा पण कमी लागला, कमी झालाय. म्हणजे असं चालताना पण मला दम लागायचा, तो पण आता ठीक आहे. आणि बाकी सगळं म्हणजे व्यवस्थित आहे. मला या औषधांचा फार गुण आलाय.
Hi, this is Anand Ravarane. I had been an asthmatic patient since my childhood. There were many doctors, many medicines, many practitioners which I have tried, but to no use were it effective in any way in my life. For nearly past 4 years, I switched to homeopathy. Prior to this, I used the allopathy, that was this pump, and still I required 1 pump a week. And there were many side effects of it. But then I switched to homeopathy, which helped me build up myself, my immunity, as well as my all other problems related to it. There were many sleepless nights. There were many mornings in which I have to find my breath. There were many mornings in which I have to still be peaceful, come to at a ease state, and there were many evenings in which I just had to see my friends playing around here and there through my balcony. And now this has all changed thanks to homeopathy. I can go play with my friends, I have a social life, as well as I can run and run, jump and do whatever I feel like. My body has no restrictions, nor it gives that effect like the ones which I previously had. This is all homeopathy, and the homeopathy has given me lifeline. Homeopathy has helped me study properly, concentrate in my studies, which helped me do my engineering career properly, as well as my MBA career, specialized MBA career, which helped me now to boost, as well as it is helping me boost my job and my academic as well as my professional life. This is what homeopathy has done a great deal in my life, and it has been, and hence it has proved to be a lifeline in my life.
After all, it's homeopathy, the science of tomorrow that betters your life today.